Are you thinking of buying a home in Myrtle Beach, Horry County, and have no idea where to start? If so, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Janet Bunting with Janet Bunting Team Properties at Palmetto Coastal Homes. First thing, before doing anything else, we need to know what you can afford. Getting qualified for a loan is essential when looking to purchase a home. You truly need to understand the costs associated with being a homeowner and qualifying for a loan. Don't put the cart before the horse and start house hunting just yet. We need to get your finances secured so that you don't lose any unnecessary money. So your very first step when buying a home in Myrtle Beach, Horry County, or in Surfside Beach is meeting with a mortgage lender and getting qualified. I've got amazing references that you can meet with to make sure that you're safe and secure regarding the financing aspect of purchasing a home. Don't make the same mistake that so many others do. They go house hunting prior to going mortgage shopping. There are things that you have to consider before looking at homes. Things like knowing how much of a down payment you'll need, what the closing cost will be associated with getting the loan, the cost for inspections, appraisals, and any other expenses that may arise with your loan, as well as purchasing your new home. I'm highly trained in all of these areas and would love to help you with the sale or purchase of your home. Janet Bunting with Janet Bunting Team Properties. I'm always here to help, and I'll refer you to one of my trusted mortgage professionals so we can get you well on your way to becoming a homeowner. Let me help you discover your coastal lifestyle.